everyone. Myself Meenakshi from Patawal School in Dora. I hope you all are fine at home. So students, today we are going to start our first chapter of chemistry in class 10th, that is chemical reactions and equations. So students, our subtopic which we are going to study in this chapter, that is types of chemical reaction. So here are the few types of chemical reactions are written over here. That is number 1, combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement, or we can say that substitution reaction. Number 4, double displacement reaction. And number 5, oxidation reduction reactions, or we can say that redox reactions. So students, today I am going to explain you the very first chemical reaction, that is combination reaction or synthesis reaction. So first of all, combination reaction or synthesis reaction. So what is the meaning of combination reaction? Combination reaction means it is a reaction in which two substances combine to form a new substance. Means this is the reaction in which when we react one substance with another substance, or we can say that when we combine two substances, so a new substance will be formed. For example, here when suppose, let's take some general example. When A react with B or when A combine with B, so it will form AB, new substance. So here we will take some common example. When carbon element react with oxygen gas, so it will form carbon dioxide gas. Same way we will take the another example in which we can see the elements are combined and they form a new substance. So here when hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas, it will form water. Clear? So students, here some of the combination reactions are also there where amount of heat energy also liberated. So if any kind of combination reaction when we see in which amount of heat energy released, so that type of reaction are also called as exothermic reactions. So here we will see some example in which when we react the two substances or when we combine the two substances, some amount of heat energy will also be liberated, and that type of reaction will known as the exothermic reaction. So let's see, for example, number 1, when we react calcium oxide, that is it is also known as quicklime, with water, so it will form a new substance, that is calcium hydroxide. It is also called slaked lime, and lot of amount of energy, lot of heat energy will be liberated. Same way, there is one more example of combination reaction in which two substances combine and form a new substance and produce lot of energy. That is a very common example in your daily life you can see, that is respiration process. So everybody know what is respiration process? So in this process, glucose in aqueous form react with oxygen. So what will be happen? It will form carbon dioxide gas plus water, and lot of heat energy will be liberated. So the students, here you can see that some of the combination reaction also include or also liberate some amount of heat energy. So that amount of heat energy is known as exothermic reactions. So students, I will tell you one more thing. Combination reaction also known as synthesis reaction. Why it is known as synthesis reaction? Because in this new substance will be formed. Here the synthesis word means formation of new substance. So here you can see that when we combine the two substances, the new substance will be formed. So that's why it is also known as synthesis reaction. And combination reactions, students, combination reactions are further of subtypes if we react two elements. So that type of combination reaction, here you can see that in which two single elements combine and form a new substance. But there are some chemical reaction, some combination reactions are also there where one elements and one compounds can be react. So here are the example. Here one elements can combine with, here the one elements combine with one compound and form the new substance. So this is the second types of combination reaction in which one element combined with one compound. Same way, there is a third type of combination reaction in which one compound react with another compound to form a new substance. So this is the example in which this quicklime react with water molecule to form a slaked-lime. So I hope students this topic is clear to all what is combination reaction or synthesis reaction. So next time I will explain you the next type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Thank you and have a nice day to all.